The composition of India's foreign trade has undergone substantial changes. The rate of increase in trade was slower in the pre-reform period as compared to post-reform, which registered a higher rate. The growth rate of imports was higher than the growth rate of export, resulting in recurrent trade deficit. India's major exports now include manufacturing goods such as engineering goods, petroleum products, chemicals, and allied products, gems, jewelries, textiles, electronic goods, which constitute over 80% of India's export basket. It is a remarkable achievement that India has transformed itself from a predominantly primary goods exporting country into a manufacturing and services goods exporting country. India's dependence on food grain has also declined. Major import items constitute capital goods and intermediate which support the manufacturing sector. In order to beat the unfavorable balance of trade in the post-reform period, it would be necessary to aid new commodities and services at competitive prices in the export basket. It is heartening to note that India's service trade plus has increased due to a surge in IT exports, but the increase in services is not so much to offset the losses incurred by trade in merchandise. Over the years, India's direction of trade has undergone substantial change with countries of Asia and Africa. The share of OECD countries, except North America, in India's overall export earnings declined continuously. Developing countries and OPEC emerged as the potential market for India's exports. The share of African and Asian developing countries showed an upward trend, and these countries have emerged as good markets for Indian exports. Though the volume and value of Indian exports has increased manifold, India's share in world export is still far behind China and other developed countries of the world. India's share of global goods export was 1.8% in 2023 and imports was 2.8%. Overall, trade, merchandise plus services, exports was to the tune of 770.18 billion American dollar and imports was to the tune of 892.18 billion American dollar, leading to minus 122 billion American dollar as trade balance.